Hello students, have you ever wondered while looking up the clear sky? It always appears blue, but the clouds are white. Why the sun appears reddish orange at sunshine or sunset? Why we can see a beam of light in a room filled with dust? Is it due to reflection of light, refraction of light, or dispersion of light? The answers: none of these. It is due to completely different optical phenomena known as scattering of light. This is the today's topic. There are two things that play an important role in giving a color to the sky. One is the atmosphere of the earth and the other is the sunlight. Atmosphere of the earth is composed of mixture of different gases, water vacuoles and dust particles. So when sunlight enters in the atmosphere, it gets scattered by these gases. Scattering is a process in which molecules absorb sunlight and re-emit it in various directions with different intensity. As we know that sunlight or white light is made up of 7 colors, that is Vigor. However, not all the light is scattered equally. Each colored light has a corresponding frequency and wavelength associated with it. The violet colored light has the shortest wavelength of all, while the red one has the longest wavelength. The light of the color corresponding to the smallest wavelength will be scattered the most. So, blue, indigo, violet light will be scattered most by these molecules of air. The color which scatter most is more visible to us. Okay, one thing is there. If it is true, then sky should appear violet, indigo instead of blue. But the sky appears blue. The reason behind this is the solar spectrum, which shows that the amount of blue light is much larger than the violet and the indigo light, which is emitted by the sun. Hence, more blue light reaches us to the earth, and this is when scattered the comparison to the violet light, and this causes the blue color of the clear sky. The another reason behind it is that the human eye are more sensitive to blue light or blue color than the violet light. Hence, we cannot see any violet light in the sky. But why the color clouds appear white? This is because clouds are made up of water molecules, dust particles, ice particles, and all these molecules have much bigger size than the wavelength of the visual light. Hence, they scatter all the constituents of white light equally in all directions and clouds appear white.